Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 30 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, you need to find an app called Model, and when you find it, click on it. Then select those three lines at the top left corner of it and select Personalize. Now, after selecting Allow in the pop-up, click on Font section located under Themes. Then tap on the best one for you in order to apply it, like square one. So when I click and go back, I can see that style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!